In this video, we will learn about vendor application process. You can apply as a vendor only after entering your company information. Click on the Vendor tab at the top of the home page, then click the Apply as a Vendor button. First, agree to the vendor terms and conditions and then click the Next button. The vendor terms and conditions contain crucial information, so please review them thoroughly before agreeing. If you entered your company information during the sign-up process, you will proceed directly to the next step. Next, enter the bank information for the vendor account to receive the settlement after the transaction is completed. Please fill in the beneficiary name, bank name, account number, and bank code. Upload a PDF copy of your USD bank statement under Copy of Bank Statement. If your company is registered in Korea, you can transact in KRW. Therefore, in order to make the settlement in KRW, please make sure to provide a KRW bank account. If you don't provide it now, you will be asked to submit it after your first transaction. Click the Apply button to complete your vendor application. The vendor application results will be notified to you via email within 3 days after applying. If you haven't received an email within 3 days, please contact us through the one-on-one inquiry for further assistance.